Hey-o, it's the Las Vegas Turkey Trot here in Boulder City, Nevada. 12K distance today, and it has the steepest incline of any race I've run. You'll see that, but it's a chilly morning here in the Pacific time zone. So I'm about to trot about 0.3 miles to the start line, so you'll see that. To the start line. I am so full of food. I'm excited to see how this goes. No character stops. Here comes the first tunnel. Four tons. Don't slip. Tunnel number 5 coming up. Weather's good. Feeling good. Kind of reminds me of the entrance to Galaxy's Edge. Except on the other side, it's not Black Spire Outpost, it's more Nevada. Some of the first inclines are coming up now.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Nice downhill, but I'm gonna run back up this on the way back. It's a great course. You should run it if you ever get the chance to. See that 12.5% grade. Yay. The people coming back up. Most of them look like they're dying a little bit. Three miles. 3 miles. It's gonna be fun going up. I think that's the bridge Frodo and them crossed, and then Gandalf said, "You shall not pass." I know. And then he fell. Spoiler alert for a 15-year-old movie or 20-year-old movie. Here it is.
You're gonna miss out on it.
Okay, fine. Quick.
Go ahead.
The Hoover Dam. It's pretty cool. I guess this counts as a character stop. Now we head back up. You think I'm running up this thing? Nope. But it says run, so I guess I'll run to the incline. Okay, it's more incline now. Feel the burn. I feel it. It's all these historic things if you want to know about historic things, but I just want to know about things like the finish line and what I'm going to eat afterwards. So I guess I'll start running again. Okay, I'm going to be my time from 2 years ago. Okay, bye. There's people up there. I gotta eventually get up there. The only pavement I ran on was at the Hoover Dam area. So everything else is dirt, gravel, and a lot of rock. And it's uneven, so my feet kind of hurt. So here's the first of the tunnels on the way back. One thing about the tunnels, they're really cool, but you breathe in a lot of dirt. So like, ah. I lost count of tunnels, but about a mile and a half to go. I guess I'll finish now. Less than a mile ago, the finish line is in sight. In the distance. Woo! I'm gonna PR this race for the 12K distance. This is the only 12Ks I've run. This one, second time running this. Was that a negative split? What? Turkey trot done. It's my third Las Vegas turkey day thing. I did one last year, not this one, the other one that I'm using is my current POT for non-marathon week races, but this one is just for funsies. So man, yeah, like I said, it's a great course, nice and scenic. You get to see natural things, a lot of water, mountains, tunnels. Hoover Dam. So really good. Go check it out if you're in Las Vegas area. BBSC, I believe that's the company that does these runs, but I get emails from them, so there's a lot of things throughout the year, so just check them out. They put on good events, good swag, good medals. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and tell your mom about this.